Drinking fresh juice along with a wholesome diet offers tremendous health benefits. It can improve life expectancy and quality of life, lower blood pressure, decrease the risk of heart disease, improve energy levels and stamina, aid in digestion, boost your body's immune system, help flush excess waste and detoxify your body, and can help control your weight naturally. So what's the best way to receive all the benefits associated with juicing fresh fruits and vegetables? Carico's Juice Master Professional, our beautiful stainless steel model. This durable powerhouse has a larger inlet for even quicker juicing, saving you time and effort with less preparation. Perfect for home or even commercial use. The heavy-duty motor uses a patented speed control microchip to maintain a constant 6,000 RPMs. This ensures maximum extraction without overheating the juice, helping retain all the beneficial enzymes and nutrients. Imagine juicing pineapple or watermelon effortlessly without having to remove the skin, boosting the nutritional value. The pulp is automatically ejected into a separate container for disposal or use in healthful recipes like muffins and breads, or added to pasta, soups, or stews. And unlike other juicers, Carico's exclusive turbo switch allows you to conveniently clear the blade without having to stop and disassemble the machine. Plus, the cover and pulp container are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. Whether you juice for your health or because you enjoy the flavor, there are many juice recipes that you'll want to try.